What's going on? What's going on? How is everybody doing on this beautiful morning? Bill, what's going on? How are we? Toad Man, Greg, good morning. Grandpa Raja. We do have some news coming in about 30 minutes. So something to keep in mind and not expect anything crazy until then. But really just super congested. On the overnight, we did have one leg down, two legs down. So we could keep going down, or might just be time to reverse. We'll see. But in the overnight, we basically got to the lows of yesterday. Another thing to keep in mind is that we closed up here yesterday. We're here now. A lot of the times the gaps like to be filled. Greg took that second entry short pre-market up here, like an hour before pre-market. It's like a hidden failed second entry short here. Did go long into the resistance, but was a higher low, depending on how you count it. Hidden failed second entry short. Let's see if we can go higher. But that's why we keep the stop one tick behind the signal bar. I mean, we might get bailed out. We'll see. Yeah, definitely going into some resistance here. Okay, I'm just gonna leave one contract. I'm gonna just get out of it. It'll probably work out. I mean, it was working up, but in and out. Not a good trade anyway, so. It is what it is. What's up, Squeeze? We'll see if I would have been trapped. If it was a good move to get out of that. Rev. How we doing? Yeah, even the market open is slow. Well, that's what I was saying, because there's some news coming out, 7 Pacific, 10 Eastern. So it could be the reason we're just going to be congested until then, but we'll see. I mean, we're just sideways right now. It's almost like we have like a little wedge forming. That's basically what I see. Good, and good thing I got out of that trade. I would have been stopped out, so I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did. Come on. No dumb trades. Only smart trades. Only smart trades. But I did like what I said yesterday. I said trading doesn't have to be something stressful. I'm just gonna try to make it relaxed, wait for the setups to appear. When that setup comes, I know my rules. If it breaks my rules, I'll stay out. If it doesn't, I'll go in. Definitely. But gotta be honest with you guys, I took a massive loss yesterday after stream. One trade turned into like $1,000 loss per account. It was a dumb move. I was this close to passing the 10 set of evals, so I was like, okay, let me just enter with some extra contracts. Ended up trading with 6 contracts, thinking I could, okay, let me just take these 3 wins and I'll pass the eval. Ended up taking a loss, but we're back. It's just another reminder, if you stick to the rules, you're gonna be good. If you don't, it's gonna come back to bite you. So now I gotta do some more grinding. So it was up. Where was it? It was right here. So I took this long, which worked out for a scalp. And it worked out for a scalp. But when I saw this higher low, I was like, okay, you know what? Let me just add on this higher low and extend the scalp portion from the first trade to basically be 5 ticks from this bar. So it could have been, I had a winning trade. Then we saw what happened, ended up taking out my stop loss, and it was not fun. Okay, we're getting a nice bearish bar. Many tests at this level. That's honestly very smart, Greg. Yeah, that's why I was hesitant to put this up here. I might get rid of it. But I'll keep it for now. Yeah, exactly. Long run. I mean, but the thing is, you already kind of know what your P&L is. Day to day. Maybe I'll get rid of the P&L. Not look at it at all. It's not a bad idea. Yeah, don't. Maybe I'll give myself like, okay, you can only check the P&L every Monday, something like that. Focus on the process. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean the things I don't really get in my head about the daily P&L. That's the thing. Like I don't mind. At least right now. Navo. Yeah, not a bad idea at all. Just at the end of the day checking it. But I mean, the thing is you already know based on on the trade what your profit is, don't you? Really, Greg? Okay. So you have 8 evals, but you're not even gonna look. You don't even know what the profit is on it. Well, I think in that, I think in that case you should track the profit because you don't want to meet the profit and then keep trading and then end up going out of that threshold. Andrew Kaplan, how are we doing today? All right, about a little over 15 minutes before the news. But we're just slowly moving up. Top of the morning, trader boy. Yeah, that's true, Greg. That's true. But I might be smart to check once you think you're close to the profit target. You have a line on your oh, you have a line chart for your PA that you check, but no numbers. Okay. If it works for you, it works for you. Okay, we're getting a technically a lower high, but it's not really a lower high because we just have two strong bars before it. But higher low would preferably be right after the new high. I mean, we'll see if this trade works out. did have a nice higher low yesterday, but see how this formed like just within 2 bars from the high. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're going lower. Oh man, you had one trade to pass the eval. It happens. It happens. Okay, and that higher low did end up being a very nice trade. Nice short. Maybe should have pulled the trigger, but still, we're just so congested. But I don't think if I had placed the limit order, I would have got filled anyway. So yeah, if you took this short up here, you'd be in a nice runner, it looks like. See if we end up going to the low of the day. Obvious target. Then after that, I mean, we really don't have a lot. I mean, the next target really would be the low from April 5th. FZen, good morning from Alberta. Read the chat, read the chat. Like button protocol is initiated officially by FZen. Okay, so we had this leg down, break, new low. I want to see a higher low. Still getting some stack bars down here though. But man, yeah, Greg, I can imagine. And you're one trade away. You're about to pass your eval. Boom. It ends up blowing the account and going on an emotional roller coaster, I'm sure. So the fact that we tried to go higher and now we're just back at the near the lows of the day means, I don't know, I think we could just be trying to go lower. Obviously we did have this gap, so we closed here, opened the market around here, so normally we'd try to fill that gap. It could happen later in the day, but I wouldn't be so sure we're working up yet. F Zen, F Zen. Zen in, not Zen out, Zen in. Okay, we're trying to go lower. Probably gonna test the EMA though. Okay, and we're basically trying to do just that, trying to test the EMA. But once again, I'd be hesitant to go long, even though we're at the lows. We're having a lot of resistance here, but look how many bars are stacked. Look how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bars in a row. That's true. We might be testing this low, but it might also just be an overshoot. Might be a slight overshoot. We'll see. Maybe not. But visually, to me, this massive bar down looks visually like an overshoot, so we'll see. It's time. It's time. Exactly. Squeeze. Who's going to squeeze it out? Are we going to get to the low, or are we going to push back into this range? But, I mean, we really can't even... We're not even breaking above the EMA, so definitely more bias to the downside. Still congested. But still below the EMA. So not thinking about going long anytime soon. I feel like when this news hits in the next 4 minutes, we might just be going down. So who was it? Was it Rev? You have an account where you just trade the news? What are you going to do this time? If you're going to do anything. I feel like we might have a move to the downside. Just a feeling though. Pending orders. So what do you do? What do you do? You're gonna buy above this level, sell below this level? Is that your plan? All right, let's see. Let's see how it works out. Hopefully they don't whipsaw. They don't go up one way or down first and then just reverse. Yeah. I wouldn't recommend it either. I am tempted to sell if we get a nice bearish bar here, but we'd be in the middle of this congestion. So I want to see a breakout that fails. Then we work lower. Yeah, exactly. It's essentially, I mean, that's essentially like gambling a little bit. Gambling in the stock market. Whatever you have to lose, you're prepared to lose. I mean, let's see how high impact it really is. We got like 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 3, 2. Okay. Nothing crazy yet. We're just pinballing around this range. Might get a failed breakout, who knows? Or not. Alright, Rev, we broke up. We broke to the upside. Now what? You still in it? Or did it not even hit your target yet? Your long squeeze, nice. Yeah, no target profit, I'm sure, for news trading. Yeah, squeeze, because we definitely just work right back down. Hey, there you go, Rev. Yeah, that's what I'm scared of too, is slippage, because I mean, I had a trade last week where I used the market order, the one time I used the market order, and I got like 2 points of slippage, and then it turned into like a $400 loss when the trade should have worked out. So really, with that trade and the trade I had yesterday, it's like, fuck, it's like $1,400 per account, where 2 trades. So the method works. This price action trading works. You just gotta stay away from those big losses. Definitely frustrating though. Okay, but I think we might just be working lower. Might just be trying to hit that low of the day. Might be bouncing off of what could be a trend channel. You know what? Let's see where a midline would be on this. Maybe. It's a maybe. Curious to see what's gonna happen here. Do we bounce up, or do we get rejected and keep going lower? 2 trades today. I'll do a 20-point minimum trade. I can feel it too. Squeeze. Let's get it. And on that one 20-point trade, I'm just gonna have the intuition to know, you know what? Let's let 2 contracts be a runner. So I'll get 40 points, baby. Let's go. Okay, so could be working our way lower. We'll see. Or we could be trapping some shorts. It would be a second entry long. Let's see how this bar closes. Still working down though. Telling you, we might have a trend. Might be like that. We'll see. I want to see another lower high. I want to see a first entry long, second entry long failure. Can we get that though? Can we get that opportunity to go short? I feel like a big downside move is coming, honestly. I just want that opportunity to get to be a part of it. You see the same trend squeeze. Let's see if it comes into play a couple more times. But I think we're getting a move to the downside shortly. We'll see. Here's that second entry long, first entry, second entry. Let's see if we end up having a trap. Jim's Corvoisier. I'll answer you in 1 second. 1 second. Let me just see how this trade or this bar ends up printing. Yeah, so here's that trap. Are we able to get filled? No. Okay, so here's that move I was calling. So I feel like we're working down. I feel like we're going down and down a lot. So I'm trading 10 Apex performance accounts, paid performance accounts, and 10 evaluation accounts. I was this close yesterday to passing the evals, so that would have been 3,000 profit in those, but then ended up off stream losing a good chunk of it. So we're working our way back. Man, I wanted to get in this short. But I was saying, I thought we were going to have a massive move, and here it is. Here it is. Damn it. Missed it. So I was one downside to limit orders. El Kautar Kamal. Nice, bro. Nice move. Short to 21 from 30. The heck? Jim, you purchased 10 25,000 evals. Should you stick with the micros and try one E-mini? You mean one E-mini and micros at the same time? Or are you saying, oh, or try one E-mini? I mean, really up to you. It's a lot of different factors. How long you want to take to pass the account, how risk averse you are, how long have you been trading? Let me know. But it's your decision, obviously. But I can only give you advice if you use my discount code actually to purchase those accounts. No, but really, it just comes down to how risky you want to be. And does anyone know why are my bars so close to the edge here? I messed with the margins yesterday. I don't know how to get back. Oh, I have. This is why. Never mind. Okay, so if I had entered 41.33.50, I would have trailed it right here. So only about a 3-point runner, but we could definitely still work down. But I just want to see how much of a move I missed out on. So now I want to see us pull back to the EMA. Come on. Let's break above this bar. Don't make me mad. Rosales. How long have you been trading for, Jim? You just started. I mean, the only thing with micros is that the chart is not as, at least in my opinion, it's not as clean as this chart. And I could pull it up right now. So let's see, MES 2000 tick chart. You made 250. Nice. So yeah, look how much more volume there is on the E mini chart. This is the micros. It's just not as nice. Not as nice and tidy. What if we pulled up I'm curious. Let's pull up the 1000 tick chart. Okay, so we're working back to the EMA. Might be getting a second entry short. Definitely don't want to miss another one. Neutral looking bar. Those times like these where I'm like, okay, the setup's good, the context is good. Should I just take the trade? You gotta pay attention to the signal bar too. But let's see if we keep working down. I mean, every sign is that we're working down. Only thing keeping me out of this trade is the signal bar. So let's see. It's an experiment right now. I'm not gonna enter, but let's see. Do we keep working lower or not? Yeah, definitely bold starting with 10 eval accounts if you're just starting out. Definitely bold, to say the least. Just know that trading is a long road. Okay, I'm pulling up the 1000 tick chart. This is the 1000 tick chart. I want to see how this looks. Nah, not for me. 2000 tick chart's a little better. All right, if we get a lower high here, that's what I like to see. A little confirmation setup. No great signal bar once again. Might be getting the lower high here though. Okay, let's see if we can get in on this. Come on, baby. Let's go. Man. Still stacked up. Yeah, Squeeze. If we work down, not a bad idea to sell and then okay, here we go. Had a feeling this was gonna come. So yeah, if you're more of a swing trader, what's up, Nicky Stonks? I did change the order bar yesterday. I played with it myself, but I prefer it to be here, not all the way here, because when I'm in the trade, I like to move the chart to the left so I don't see this. I mean, it's just my preference. I don't know why it's such a big deal. So you like your order bar to be all the way to the middle of the screen? I don't like that. I like it to be on the right side. Personal preference. Nicky Stonks isn't insulted. Better not be. Who am I insulting, man? I'm just doing me. I feel insulted, actually. Watch your mouth. No, I'm just kidding. But let's see, Nicky. Can we get a nice trade for you for entering the building? We all just trying to eat, baby. Yes, sir. Indeed, we are. You have a short-term trend working up? I'm considering a short here, failed second entry long. So yeah, it's interesting to note here. I like this setup a lot. Only thing was the signal bar was a little neutral, so would have worked out. It's just hard to know how much you should really value like the perfection of the signal bar itself, you know? Yeah, mini range for sure. Nice. Ren, you got 2 points out of it? Okay. We might be having another failure here. But there's definitely what looks like a mini range. But definitely the spot where you want to start selling, up here. I'm gonna just copy this one. El Kautar Kamal. All right, thanks for subscribing. Yeah, I've been trading for almost 2 years now, a little under 2 years. I'm living in Northern California. But can you guess my ethnicity? Let's take that off. Take the hoodie off for now. I mentioned what my ethnicity was the other day. Got a mixture in these veins. I'm a mix. Frat guy? Nah. No. I was an athlete. I ran cross country and track. I still run. I compete internationally now. I'm trying to make the Olympics, man. I don't know how many frat guys can have the mental fortitude to trade every day without the emotional swings. All right, you're from Morocco, my brother. Mumu runs YouTube channel. Yeah, I know. You're right. I did make another YouTube channel. But I just stopped posting on it. It was for my it was a cooking one and running and lifestyle one. Let me see. I'm gonna share the video in the chat from my other channel. I haven't posted on it in a while though. It's only for shorts. Wait up, Nikki Stonks. I want you to see this channel. This is my other channel. Oh no. Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, check it out. But yeah, I'm half Lebanese, half Brazilian, so I got 3 citizenships, but I was born in the US. You like that food. Douglas. What's up, One Stop? Yeah, those meals were all so that was in Australia in February, just a couple months ago. It was the World Cross Country Championship. So that was all dining hall food, but they fed us well. Was just entering the race a little too heavy because I was eating too much. But yeah, One Stop. I missed the move too. Here we had a lower high, just was so stacked at the moment. I didn't want to risk it. And then down here, the trade I really wanted to take, entered in with the limit order, didn't get filled. Here, another trade. Second entry short, just signal bar wasn't excellent. I know. I'm hungry too now, Rin. I'm hungry. Maybe I'll revive that channel. I'll make it a lifestyle channel. Okay, one stop. 4 hours, 12 minutes. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, so we're getting another lower high here. But once again, we're just so much in this congestion. I don't dislike this trade though. Let's go short. Let's go short. So yeah, a lot of setups today that I liked. It just had one or so things keeping me out of it. It happens. But we're ready for a big move. I can feel it. You got your runner squeeze? Hell yeah. Definitely looks like you could get a nice runner. $41.20. We'll see. One stop. I mean, oh man, I just got rid of my daily chart. If we go to the daily, I mean, we could be in for a massive downtrend day, honestly. If I was a betting man, I'd say we're going to 4,100. I'm calling it. 4,100. I'm making it a pull. So let's see. If you're a swing trader, you would take a short all the way down to 4,100. Let's see. That's my guess. Just a guess. Okay, I want to see a second entry short. Rooftop setup. We'll see what happens. I think we could get to 4,100. But who knows? This could be the start. I don't want to predict anything, but could be the start of a move back down to these lows too, like the 3,800s at some point. Looking for a second entry short. Can we get a good move? Come on now. Patience, patience. Patience is key. Okay. Working up, working up. We got our one leg, new low. If we make a second leg, second entry short, take that all day. We could just be trying to work to the top side of this trend channel as well. Yeah, you're right, Rev, you're right. No need to make the money back fast, but definitely frustrating, man. You know how it is. Pull back and you can see triple top on ES on the yearly. I have a low of 3,600 touch. Could you imagine? Nothing is positive out there. Layoffs, hiring freeze. Yeah, that's why I can see a massive move to the downside coming. One stop. Yeah, not ready to take a short yet. We might try to break above the EMA. You can see triple top on the yearly. Man. Okay, so here it looks, it's a second entry short and a failed second entry long. If it forms right, but I think, like I said, we're probably going to try to touch the top side of this trend. We're getting there now. But let's take a look at the daily. I mean, yeah, obviously the lows from October 13th of last year was 35.68. We might need to test that again at some point. but I mean, if this is a range, which pretty much looks like a range, my first gut feeling tells me 38.40, but who knows? Who knows? Okay, we could be having a second entry short failure. I kind of want to see a double trap though. So I want to see a second entry short failure. So I want to see a tick above this bar, and then we end up working lower. Yeah, squeeze. I mean, I'm consistent with the way I have my stops. I just have it one tick behind the signal bar, and I just trail it at the swing lows, swing highs, if I'm in a runner. Okay, so we got the second entry short. I want to see a lower high. Can we get a lower high? Come on, man. Let's see, lower high incoming, and then a massive move, a massive 40-point runner. So let's see. Can we get a lower high? I don't know. We might just be going lower and make lower lows. But would love to see push up. Okay, we might be having one. We might be having one. Okay, push up, one more tick. Okay, so there are gonna be people going long here on a first entry short, second entry short failure, but I am not looking to go long at the moment. Definitely not. Guess we're maybe moving up to the top side of the overall downtrend. But we'll see. So who knows when the next setup will be. Let's have to wait, be patient. No need to rush into anything. Not a bad spot to start thinking of a short though. Leg up, break, new high. If we get a rejection here, it'll be tempting. But the better trade setup would be to wait for a lower high. Johnny Soko, seeing price fill an inefficiency on the hourly chart. So going long. Alright. I'm tempted to go short here. But I'm not gonna take the short until we get a lower high confirmation anyway. But we'll see. So you're seeing a price inefficiency from April 13th. Is that what you're saying, from April 13th? Oh, I don't know why my chart doesn't even have that. Yeah, you can see on the hourly, okay. It's I don't really do long-term analysis though. I just trade on the 2000 tick and that's it. But you're saying we're gonna go to 41.35? Let's see. You got out, all right. How many calories a day in Australia, FZen? Shit, who knows? Who knows? Too many. I mean, I don't track calories, but definitely like 4 or 5,000 probably. But I'm running a lot, so I burn a lot of calories. A gazillion calories indeed. Okay, so I redrew this trend channel just to make it neater in terms of where the midline is. We bounce here at the midline, bounce here again. So I wouldn't be surprised if we start working lower from this point. It's a second entry short. One leg up, break. Two legs up. Not a bad spot, not a bad spot. Okay, there we go. Yeah, according to price action, exactly, short entry. According to ICT though, I think we're gonna try to test low again. And then I think we're gonna go to 4,100. That's my guess. That's the pull, that's the pull. Are we gonna go to 4,100? What do you think, Johnny? Yeah, definitely might take days, but I think we're headed lower as well. First target 4,100. If we're going lower. Okay, I want to see a lower high here. I want to see a break above this doji. And then we trap some longs and go back lower. So let's see if we get that. Okay, we broke above. I'm curious to see if we'll get rejected. I guess we'll have to wait, Johnny. We'll have to wait and see. Yeah, lately the afternoon sessions have been a little more eventful than normal. Hey, let's see. It's the setup I was looking for. I guess, yeah, technically it's second entry short. I'm more looking at it as a just a lower high after a leg up. And I kind of see it as 2 legs up. Like 1 leg, 2 legs, a little more. But yeah, if you're counting from here, first entry short, second entry short, I'm more paying attention just to the fact we've had many tests here. We broke out top side, coming back lower, so lower high. Confirmation of that, but not happening yet. Might happen on this bar. But a very similar situation to what we had earlier in the day right here. Range, broke out top side, went lower, lower high. Had a nice move down. Very, very similar thing could happen right now. Still waiting. We'll see who wins out. We'll see. Looks like the Bulls for now. Could just be another attempt at a breakout. Okay, and that's what I was looking for. Of course it just happened like that. chart freeze up with the trade still? Yeah. No, that's happened to me for sure. There are no bulls, just like there's no spoon. If you say so. If you say so. Okay, I might look to sell here. Can we get a setup? Can we get a setup? Or should I say, can we get filled? We break below the bar. Well, I'm gonna plop that limit order. Will we do it though is another question. Hey, put my limit order in. Will we get filled? Will we get filled? So we're in it. I mean, I like the trade. Lower high, top of this range. Should be seeking to work to the lows. Seeking that liquidity. So let's see if it works out. See if we can get it moved down. Come on. Let's go. You're in it, squeeze, alright. Let's get it. Navo's waiting for a failed second entry long. Okay. If we get a failed second entry long, I'm a hop in as well. We're just grinding. We're grinding slowly. Might get taken out. We'll see. And we do, unfortunately. It is what it is. Should have probably been just looking this at this as a range here. Then another mini range. But it's easy to say in hindsight. Yeah, little stacked, little too stacked. All right. It's a beautiful day outside. I'ma just call it there. I'ma end the stream. Start my trading outside. A little more calm out there. But thanks everyone for watching. We'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one. Have a good one. Enjoy the day. And we'll have a great morning tomorrow. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Peace out. Have a good one. Good day, mates.